Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi Nitrogen Monosulfide TSC10 and the COSORI rice cooker. In this video, we will explore their features, cooking performance, and overall value to help you determine which one is the best fit for your kitchen. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi Nitrogen Monosulfide-TSC10 offers a 5.5 cup uncooked rice capacity, making it suitable for smaller households. In contrast, the COSORI rice cooker boasts a larger 10-cup capacity, ideal for families or meal prepping. This significant difference in capacity can influence your choice depending on your cooking needs. Price is another crucial factor. The Zojirushi Nitrogen Monosulfide TSC10 is priced at $232, reflecting its premium features and build quality. On the other hand, the COSORI rice cooker is much more budget-friendly at $99, making it an attractive option for those looking for value without sacrificing functionality. Consider your budget when making your decision. In terms of functionality, the Zojirushi Nitrogen Monosulfide-TSC10 focuses on delivering perfect rice with its Micom fuzzy logic technology, but it has fewer cooking options. Conversely, the COSORI rice cooker offers 18 different cooking functions, including sauté and slow cook, providing versatility for various meal preparations. This makes the COSORI a more versatile choice for diverse cooking needs. In conclusion, the Zojirushi Nitrogen Monosulfide-TSC10 excels in cooking performance and quality, making it a great choice for rice enthusiasts willing to invest more. Meanwhile, the COSORI rice cooker provides excellent value with its larger capacity and multifunctionality, catering to a broader range of cooking tasks. Choose the one that best fits your cooking style and needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.